guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday Market Update, bringing you real-time information on a week-to-week basis in our local real estate market here in Ross County and Chillicothe. We currently have 35 homes active on market. That's up just a bit from last week when there were 31 homes active on market. The average list price is up quite a bit to $280,000 compared to last week, which was $237,000. We had 22 homes hit market this past week, which is great, and an all-time high of 112 homes pending and under contract. So that is the largest number we have seen year to date. We had 12 sales this past week with an average list of $156,000 and an average sales price of $158,000. So you'll notice that sales price was up over the list price. That's where we're going to start seeing that trend of homes going over list price, getting into those bidding wars and multiple offers. And average days on market was 63 days on market. So again, guys, if you are thinking of selling, it is a great time to be thinking about selling your home. I would love to meet with you, share with you what I think your home could sell for in this market. And if you're thinking of buying, it is still a great time because we have a team of buyer's agents that can match you up with homes that aren't even on market. We have an inventory of homes that haven't hit market yet, and we are doing that on a week-to-week basis. So again, thank you for staying tuned into our weekly market update, and I'll look forward to bringing you more information next week.